Whew, Scotty, all right. You've been here since 0600?
Before that, 5:45.
Okay. 0545. Anyway, this guy's been here early.
Yes.
He's been plugging away.
One of the other shops that we work at, the gentleman can restore old parts. It's called parkerization.
Oh, yeah. Wick knows how to parkerize.
So I talked to one of his friends, and he restored the 4 factory screws because you can't get them black anymore. You just can't. To go for the black trim around the center console. So, I mean, yes, I'm that picky. We've still got the J-nuts. They're coming in on delivery for today. They should be here, I think, in another hour or so at most.
By lunch at the latest.
Yeah,
probably.
so, because I've got to take that back off. Here, let's do this.
7:43 right now. Ooh. Take it off, Scotty. Take it off. Take it off. Work it, girl.
At my age, I'll break a hip.
Depends.
Well, this is true.
That's the kind of underwear you're going to have to wear.
So,
All right. There we go for a little light. Little light, little magic.
here, I'll go to the other side because it'll be easier this way you can film.
Okay, I'm filming. Are you going to do something funny?
Look at this. You can't laugh already? Come on.
True.
Okay, so.
So we touched base on the brake switch, which we should have that today too.
Yes.
Oh,
so.
T-top's it's like, which way do I shoot?
Yeah, I know, right? Let's do both.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do both.
It's just at night these go back on, so that if we have to work on something, we can, and I don't have to worry about, oh shit. Time for lunch, I've got no place to sit. Okay, here we go.
So, back in here. All right.
Now, I'm still trying to figure out how to make a bracket that puts that into place like it's supposed to be.
Yes.
So,
Because,
the problem is the
holes do not line up.
the next year up goes here, not here.
Yeah.
So I've got to figure out how to do that with it. I mean, and it's got to look proper. I'm not putting crappy work on. I'm just not. I won't do it. So going over everything with you with the air conditioning, we have to relocate
Yeah, we discussed that
the
yesterday.
controller. So not a problem.
Yeah,
so
so
we'll
you
be
get
able to
that
do
relocated here this morning,
the ductwork, stuff like that.
and the duct will be done.
Yep, get that taken care of. And with those, we're closer. I mean, it's every little bit is where we need to be, but it's still the fit and finish. That's the biggest issue.
Yeah, it's all about fit and finish.
You
It
know,
all
I mean,
has to sit correctly. It has to look right.
yeah.
We still need to work on fit and finish down here on the
Yep.
column. I mean, that's got to get adjusted because look at that.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
We still got to work on that.
Well, a lot of the issue is some of the parts were damaged way before the owner of the car has it now. Like this one is technically damaged because there's supposed to be a clip that pops up into, it's kind of like this.
It goes into the
So
sleeve.
when you push the screw in, it does that with the clip that's built into the plastic.
Yeah, and it goes into the sleeve.
It's not there. It's just not. It's been broken off way before the gentleman that owns the car now has it.
So
I know the owner wants the car like ASAP. I get it. I 100% get it. He's been very diligent about making sure that, we have what we need to have to keep the car the way it needs to be. But we're kind of at that point where we're on the home stretch. I mean, we're on the home stretch. We're almost there. But it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in a couple of days. So,
no, there's
I mean,
no
it's-
way.
Yeah.
I mean, we've worked daily
Yeah.
on this
And a
thing.
lot of the issue right now is literally just fit and finish.
Yeah.
To get
It's
everything
fitment,
right,
it's getting things that did not come with the car integrated into the car.
Yep.
I mean, I discussed this in my video last night.
This
It's
is a complete
custom application.
It's a custom one-off car. So we've had to modify our own things to fit properly because this car did not come with that type of air conditioning setup.
No. This
It
car
had-
showed up to us with nothing in it.
Yeah, exactly. So
Even though it was a factory air car.
correct.
All of the AC stuff was gone.
Yep. So
Gone. So
the problem is now we have to figure out how to mount all of the stuff to go in the car so that
this
it'll
is
be
supposed
functional.
to use some factory mounting locations, which
We
are
can't
gone.
use. They're not there.
They do not exist. They no
didn't
longer
come with
exist.
the car. Things were broken. So, I mean, it's more fit and finish today. I'm trying to get everything taken care of with the air conditioning ducts. Find a way to I mean, this can't just be floating around and
No.
bouncing around when it hits a bump.
No, that's just got to
So-
get unscrewed, moved over.
I
to
was originally
here.
going to put another screw in here to stop the bouncing.
So
But then when
now-
I realized the ductwork for here, it's
Yeah.
got to go in here, that can't be there.
Okay, here's what we do. Here's the plan for this. Pull that down,
Oh, yeah.
let it lay. Route your ducts, then mount that wherever it fits the best. So that's Scotty's morning target.
Yeah. Nice morning target, thanks.
Yeah, sorry.
You know, but I mean, it is what it is. We've got to get it done. We're doing our best to get it done so that it's all taken care of. But I mean, it is still the biggest issue right now is just fit and finish.
And one of our
I
biggest...
can slap it all back together. That's not a problem. I'll throw the parts on. We'll have it done in 10 minutes. Nothing's gonna work right,
Nope.
and that's the
gonna work
issue.
right.
It's got to be right.
Nothing's going to work at all, and I mean...
This is
It
our
could go, but on a flatbed.
yeah.
Because
This is our reputation on the line, and
It takes time to do quality work.
correct.
And there is a lot of time in this quality work. But, you know, you can't hurry something like this. That's when you get into the things that we saw with $15 an hour boy.
Yeah.
It
But
takes
I think we're
time.
beyond the point of. I don't think there's any more broken parts anywhere. Like legitimately, I don't think there's any more broken parts. Well, no, we still got to finish off the brake assembly piece.
Yeah, that should be here today.
And I don't get it. Why would you bend? Why would you bend a factory bracket?
To a factory pedal.
Yeah, because I
To
mean,
operate a factory switch. I know we covered this yesterday, but this we gotta reiterate this level of stupidity. There you go. This level of stupidity. It actually takes skill to be this fucking dumb.
yep, it does. I mean,
It's a talent to be this dumb. Absolute talent. I mean,
I don't get it. I just don't get it.
we encounter quite a few lack of brain cell, for lack of a better term,
Okay, that sounds good.
built cars. Lack of brain cells,
Oh, and the other thing I wanted to throw in real quick to give some more positive.
like your herpes. I'm kidding. He's like, Scotty's gonna beat me. Like, oh my god, the telescopic works now and stays. Wow!
Yeah.
Wait, do that again, just because it's cool. Even though it's telescopic, like Mo might not be able to. Mo can't pull that back because he won't.
Most, I think he's taller than me.
He's way taller than you.
I wouldn't say way,
But
but
when-
he's definitely
But
taller.
when
than
Jody
me.
drives the car, she can move the wheel back, and it'll be nice for her.
Exactly.
It's gonna be good. All right.
And at some point, I know he wants us to put power seats in this so that she's able to drive it, which I'm totally in agreement with that. I think that's a great
Yeah,
idea.
because the sliders on these
Yeah.
they have much to be desired.
Well, it's at least they're repaired.
Yeah. Yeah, but even out of the factory,
Oh yeah, they were
they
trashed then.
sucked. They sucked in '75. They suck now, but they look good.
Yeah, I mean we're getting there. Like I said, the biggest issue is fit and finish, plain and simple. I mean,
All
and I
fit
get
and
it.
finish.
I get it. You know, I mean,
It's all fit and finish. It's all time-consuming electrical. It's all adapting. Like
Yeah.
adapt electric headlight doors where vacuum once was.
yep.
Adapt electric fans where once we had a mechanical fan. Adapt modern AC to a factory AC car that had no AC components when delivered to us.
And had a different air conditioning setup than what is now on the car.
Yes.
Oh, bump stops. I
Bump
just remembered
stops.
that.
We do need them. They are ordered. I have ordered them.
Okay.
I have the ones that thread into the arms.
Right.
And then
Which
see
is
how
what
it's
we need.
adjustable? Yeah, because you can't... The factory ones here
Right.
will not stop these.
Oh yeah, no,
Arms.
exactly. We need it the other way around.
Yeah, so we got the threaded ones. They got about 3 inches of what was that, 7/16 or half inch,
Yeah.
whatever it is, and you set them. Set it and forget it.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, like I said, and I 100% get it. You know, I mean, the guy spent damn good money on this car to make it right.
Yeah, well,
That's
it just
the
takes.
key word. We're making it.
It needs to be right before it goes anywhere.
Yep.
And once it's right, then it's enjoyable. I can't speak for Mo, but when I drove this car last year, the first go around of stuff, it got more enjoyable to drive. Don't get me wrong.
Oh yeah.
It got more enjoyable to drive, but it still wasn't that enjoyable.
Right.
Now I think he's going to have creature comforts, a good stereo.
I just realized something.
Things are going to work. I think the car's going to be so enjoyable.
We can put the hood back on.
Yes. Yes, we can. Let's do that later today. We'll put the hood
that'll
back
be
on. Because any
That's
other...
right, I forgot about that.
Anything else I need to do up here,
is here. Now,
I can... Yeah, everything up here
all the air conditioning stuff is
is
done.
done.
now.
Yes. I'm just going to double check
that'll
my
be
tightness
amazing.
on those.
Yep.
And then we can put the hood back on. So let's do that.
Yes.
Let's do that around lunchtime.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
We'll do that. So we'll add that to the list for today. We'll
All
get
right.
the hood on
So,
and get that
Scotty,
taken care of.
duct,
Yep.
controller, get that all done. Let's get that finalized. And then once that's finalized, ignition switch needs to be plugged in. That's easy. And tuck up some wiring down there. And then I think we might be able to put this side of the dash back on. Let me do the last little bit I need to do there.
Yeah.
But most of the dash should be together today.
Well,
Fingers
I
crossed.
hope fingers crossed, nothing gets too
Fingers crossed.
hairy.
You're going to make me a list of J-nuts and what you need?
Yep. Well, and I've already placed an order yesterday that's supposed to be here because it was late when I called it in. So I mean, I
Yeah.
get it. You know,
I'll follow up on that
The
right now.
drivers were getting ready to go home for the night.
And our local zone's only had one driver lately.
Yeah, exactly. So
But-
I mean,
Gabe's been doing good.
yeah, he has. He's been doing really, really good.
He's
I
a
mean,
good lad.
Yeah, he is. He goes out of his way. It's like, hey, did you guys get? Hold on, I'll be back with it. So I mean, I can't complain. They've been
Good
doing
lad.
really good that way. But when it's one driver,
Yeah,
I'm like,
one
well, just bring
driver
it tomorrow morning. It's not a big deal. You know.
serving the entire city of Palm Springs
Yeah, that's
and the western end of Cathedral City.
yeah.
And then, of course, there's some overlap from the Cat City store, but still. The Cat City store stole all Palm Springs drivers.
Yeah. Well,
Which is
let's not get into politics,
bullshit.
but let's give props where props is due.
I am.
Gabe
Gabe's
has
good.
been doing absolutely amazing.
Ryan's
We're
been
thankful.
doing good.
Yep. Yep.
Melissa and George at the Palm Desert store, they've been doing good too. They've been bringing us stuff all the way from Palm Desert.
Yep.
Because if I see Palm Desert has it and Palm Springs doesn't, I just call them because they'll bring it to me because they know me too.
Yep.
So, anyway, I think we've
And I
babbled
think
enough.
Once the hood is on, I think we'll get a hold of Andre,
Yes.
the paint guy.
We
and
could
him
probably
come
have
in
Andre.
into the front half,
Yeah.
get that taken care of, then do here type deal, whatever, so that we can stay working in here without bothering him,
Correct.
and we can try and get this done as soon as possible.
So we'll get with Andre. Let's see if we can schedule him early in the week.
Well,
maybe
he's
Monday.
coming today.
Oh, he's coming today to look at this.
He's coming today to look
So
at
let's
the
talk to
Lancia.
him. Let's
Yeah,
talk to him
I'll
when he
talk
gets
to him
here.
on that one.
Yeah, we'll talk to him when he
Get
gets
that
here.
taken care of.
Because he was here a couple days ago.
Yeah.
He's doing okay with his knee. Anyway, all right. We out.
But, yeah.